Hello, I wanted to quickly make a video for you and show you an easy way to pull any table from the web and put it onto an Excel spreadsheet. All you have to do is open up any link or any window, any workbook, a new workbook or an existing workbook, and go to the Data tab. Right here it says From Web. You just want to click on From Web. It's going to pull up a box that's going to ask for the URL, the link to the website. I have a website pulled up open for basketball reference, and I want to pull all this information out in a clean, easy fashion into my spreadsheet. So I'm just going to copy the link, paste it into the where it's asking to paste the URL, and we're going to wait for it to load. It's going to bring up a couple of references. It pulled two different tables. I'm looking for the player totals table. It's going to have a reference of what it looks like, and I'm just going to click load. And in a matter of just a few seconds, it's going to load this whole entire table, and easy as that. Thank you. Like and subscribe for more content just like this.